Hello guys, Sudarshan here. Sorry for the delay. I was busy a little bit. So this is the third part of the video, and today I'll start with the basic of texturing, like UV mapping for the models. Then let's start with the chat, simple chat again with the reference image. So I'll show you with the reference image. So let's start. Okay. Let's check. 1 minute. 1 minute. Can you hear my voice? I have adjusted bit. So okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Can you see my screen? Okay, this is my screen. This is the chair which I last left. So I'll just delete it. What happened? Is perspective. I think I messed up the shortcut of my streaming software. So when I press something, it will happen something in 3DMax. So sorry, I think. Something is right. 1 minute. I'll be back. I'll just change my. Okay, let's start. Just switched off my fan. It was a little bit disturbing. So I told I'll start with this. So first of all, to add a reference to the viewport, you should make it square. Okay, try to make it square. No, it's not square, it's like 785 by 1322. So if you have Photoshop, it's good. You can open it in Photoshop. Let's go to Photoshop. Okay, so this is the image. Switch off my switch. If you want me to teach 3DMax, 1 minute. I think my voice is a little bit high. I think it's clear. Okay, hello. Sorry. So let's start with this. So I'll just monitor this. Match. Okay. Is it clear now? I think it's clear. Okay. So make it squaring. Let's go to image. If you want me to teach Photoshop, I'll teach you. In next class, you can just message me. So I'll teach you the Photoshop also. So in Photoshop, you can just go to image. There you can go to canvas. Don't go to the image sizing. Go to canvas. Just copy this one. Copy and paste. Okay. So now it's square. Now just save it. Save. So sorry. Why is my shortcut is messing up? Okay. So I'll switch off, delete this one for now. One procedure is you can go here to the viewport, configuration report. There, use file. In this, you can browse it, the chair like this, and use this one, match bitmap, and apply it. Okay. So select a save frame. So this is like this, but better using, don't use this one. This is the method to use it, but I'm not perfectly happy with this one because it's very big. One method is you can scale down the chair here. This one, let's go to unlock the Photoshop. 1 minute. You can scale down. Save. And okay, now let's go to report again. We'll get the chair like this now. It'll be in the viewport only. So now we can do the box. Click on the plus sign, take the box and just draw it like this. So this is the box, simple box. Next, copy. You can go to modify and edit it like this. Add the same value. I think 4 by 4. If you are making a correct chair, you can put an exact measurement of this one. Like the chair thickness is like 1.5 or 2 inch. You can put as 2 inch here. 2" of 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, you can scale it, no problem. It's just a viewport. Okay. This one, you can just match it to the viewport, make it height. Oops. This one up, still here. Okay, we need to go up. What is this? Okay, as okay, now this is matching to the height of the leg. So bring this down, small, make it small. Now you can just use this one scale. Not if not going this here, it will be a little bit confusing. Move it back. May not fit correctly because it's a camera angle. You need to place camera also if you want to make it correct. For now I'm just trying to teach you basic model, then I'll show you how to add camera, etc. Okay, so you can match it like this. Just see the image so you can get the idea where it's. So you can see here a little bit gap, so here also from here you can get the idea where how much gap is there. So go here, make it a copy, just move it like this, go into the front view, go to the front view and see is it okay, then go to the back view, one more, so side left view, copy, move back. I think this will come to here. Here. Okay. So a little bit of like thickness needed. Make this a bit smaller because I did not need this much. Now just convert this into polygon. Oh man, where I kept my con. Oh, 1 minute. Customize. I have showed you right in the last tutorial like how to do a customized window toolbar. Okay, toolbar. Something happened. It's gone. Okay, let it be. Okay, convert to polygon. So we'll get the edits here. So go to the vertex, make it bit of small. Yes, bring it a bit also a bit less. Okay. Closer. So front there is a gap and back there is no gap. I think the back leg is extended till here, that we can do it later. Or no, just I'll do rotate this one, copy, rotate, select this angle snap, so it will be rotating at the correct degrees, like it will snap to degrees, like round figure. So 90, it up. You can see my mouse, right? So adding my mouse at the bottom, I think it's here. So next, this is not square, it should be a little bit higher. So like this, make it like this. Sorry, it's too much rainy here, South India. Oh man, definitely. Okay, now let's copy one more piece of this one here. Make it, bring it up. Yeah. Okay, change it to polygon. Let's get it here. Okay, it's a simple chair. I'm doing it very slow because you need to get an idea how it's done. Basic, those who know it, then it's special. Can be done in within half an hour. Within half an hour, you can do it. Not a big deal, but I'm doing it very slow so that you can know how it is done. It's a basic tutorial 3DMax. Yeah. So now one more thing you need here, the front. Okay, bring it right. Okay. Go to this one, you can see here this yes, here you select effect pivot only. Click on center object, center to object, it will make it center, and off this one. Then you can rotate like in middle 90 degree, like this. Okay, now bring it to the bottom. Sorry, I could not read that word. It's okay, you can see it there. Not good. Sorry for that. I can do more. Okay, there. Now there is a gap here, so you should bring a little bit back side like this. Okay. Make thickness very less. I think I have changed it to polygon, right? Okay, you can go to faces, select this, bring it down a bit. Like this one. Okay. There is one more in the back. I'll take this. I'll take the front one which I did. Copy, bring it here. Wrong selection. Like smaller. This is the height. One more copy. Bring it here, centering. This is a simpler method. Okay. Like this. You can also combine this and make a bridge in between. That is also possible. For now, I will do like this. It will be simpler for you to do a UV mapping. That will be a little bit tougher to understand. So just start with the basic only. So we don't want to do any complicated one. Okay, now this front part is over. Let's go with the back one. I think this is the continuation of model to top. No go up. I think it's too high. Is it? You can set it just for reference. Okay. Now just convert this to polygon. Convert to poly. Edge selection. Select the edge. Here you can go down. Here there is connect. You can go to connect and create some edges there. So here one edge you got. Click on it. Bring it here to the edge. Like this. Then vertex selection and move it back. And this you can, sorry, my voice is clear, right? I can move it a little bit back. Put it. Now select the edge again. Here selected already. Go to the camphor. So we make a soft curve. Should make it. This is, yeah. So you can see. You can increase the amount of softness, curve softness. 1 minute. I'll make it a bit up. I think the curve starts here, not here. Cancel it, then edge up like this. So it's like this. Now I'll select the camphor. Make it a little bit. I'll select curve here. where the edge start, there the camphor will start bending. So this is the edge, so here is the camphor. So it's bent now. Now you can just duplicate this here, copy. Delete the old silhouette of this. Let's keep this with paint. There's a little bit of sound, background sound, sorry for that. It's a TV serial going on. So work from home and you'll get all the sounds. So I don't know how much time I say sorry. I'm sorry for that. It's a little bit touching here, so there's no edge. Okay, you can cut this one if you need of that edge. Select the edge and add a connect in it. Here you can slide the it here. Then one more connect, make it 0, let's make it 2. Now we can just move the second one like this. So it's touching here. Done. Now just select the object, right click, hide unselected. So now you can see only the object chair base. You can delete the face, these two face. Dial 8. So also delete. Don't like my videos. That's very sad. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Then just add a bridge. It's the bridge what I'm saying. I showed you this before in the first part, I think so. This is the bridge again. So this hole is closed. See? Click it. Same way. Don't select everything. I think it will not come correct. Let's see. No. Yeah. Yes, it's not coming. So cancel it. So just select 2. Select, add, bridge, done. Now going on here, oh, chair is back. That's cool and simple. Now select the object, copy, move it up like this, bring it back, rotate it, this way. Okay. Do you think is this thickness and this thickness is not same? So we need to extend. While scaling, don't try to go to object location locals, okay, because if you go with the viewport, it's not exact with the object. So go to locals. Now it's parallel, so now you can just scale a bit. It's too much. Okay, now go down, copy, move it down. Here, bring it flat. Okay, now rotate it, scroll, rotate like this and move it up, scale it, scale it like this bit. Okay, now rotate, go to the left view, so you see the image. Go to the wireframe mode, so you can see in between. Now we can stop this snapping thing, else it will snap more. Keep it parallel to this and move it back. You can see here, this is the base, this is the top. Okay, move it back a bit. Okay, a bit down. I'm fixing off the oracles, so no problem. Bring a bit back. Oh, sorry guys. It's in between top and bottom box like this. I can go to perspective view. I can duplicate, like count it, 1 to here, 1 to here. So this is in center, to that side, 2. I think I'll take off this one. No? Yeah. Okay. What I thought is correct. You just select the pillar, change it to object mode. So clone it. Clone and clone. Done. So this clone this to again. Bring it this side. So if you think now the back side is big, what you can do? Should you think you'll think unit model again? You'll think no need. That I think I'll show you later. Okay, I can show you now. Select these things. Okay, I'll select this much. Here, search for FF, this one, FFT. Okay. So here you can see the modifier. Select the control points. Select all points. pull it up. Okay, now it's thinking it's correct. This is the model done. We can just collapse it. Collapse. Chair is ready. Ready. Simple chair. Now I'll just save it. Save as. Go to file. Save as. 2. Save it as part 2. So that's 2 UV mapping for this. And the next part is that like you should rename the objects. How you will rename? Select everything like this. Here go right click, rename. Here you can add the name of your chair. Now I put just chair. Fix. I will select this underscore numberings and just rename. So this is they are naming for it. Okay, save it. Go. I'll show you a box first, how to do a box UV mapping. So here I selected a box. This is a box, simple box. Convert to polygon. So to do a UV mapping, you should go here, or no, I'll show you just texture, how to add texture, so you get to know what is the problem. So here I select the object. Here you can select the texture, press M is for texture. Select any texture you want. It's a default texture. I am using a V-Ray material, so this thing may be different from yours. Default texture will be like just go materials. This standard. Your materials may be like this. Okay, this is the standard materials, so it will be like this. You can just click on this one arrow mark to assign material to the chair. Yes. Now I selected one with texture from net. You can drag it and drop it there like this. You can drag it like this and drop, or you can go here, click this box, it will open a general. This is the general. In that, select bitmap, double click, it will go to the image folder like scene, assets, images. There you can select the wood material and it's added. Now you can just, if you want to see on the in the viewport, you can select on this show shading materials. Just show like this. Now problem is there is no UV, so you may see like this stretched thing. See, this is the problem of UV mapping. There is no UV mapping. Here I have not edited much for this one, so that UV mapping is correct. Okay, this is stretched. You can check with this material also. If you download like checkers, you can see the checker material, so it's not correct From here you can see how the materials looks like. So everything should be like square for that. So this I will show you. So already is actual object, so the UV mappings, there is no problem. Just okay. Now, for example, I'll stretch it like this. Okay. Now this all is not correct, and these are correct. So if you do any edit, then just go to U, press U. There we get UV mapping. In this, go down. You can open editor. So here is the UV mapping. So go to the face selection, poly selection, this one. Select everything. If this is selected, you will select everything. If this is not selected, you will select only one. So select this also, full selection, like this. Then go to mapping, flatten mapping. Okay, so it's here. So here is one fault, like this I have stretched it like this, but here it's showing square. So that's why you always need to do you should clear out all the transforms before doing UV mapping, or else this problem will be there. For that, I'll just delete this one. Here in the end there is a spawner type. There is a reset exform. This will reset the scaling. You can see here scaling. Here the scaling, you can see it. Reset. It's not resetting. Let's check with UV mapping now. Collapse. Let's check one more time. Is it fixed? Or else I'll show it in the tomorrow. I'll show it tomorrow if it's not fixed. Actually, it should be fixed. I was doing like this only. Yeah, it's fixed. See, now the UV mapping is correct. See? Yeah. See, now the UV mapping is correct. This is the UV mapping. Now, if you want to stitch the UV mapping, like here and here, the pattern is not matching. Here the pattern not matching. You can stitch few UVs which you can see in the front. Backside you should not stitch because it should be open. Right. For that, go to the edge view, edge selection. You can select the edge. Here also you can select in the viewport. You can see where is the edge. This edge. What is there? This one. This is the here. This one is here. So you can click on this, stitch. So that will stitch to that. Next, select again that one. So it will be going this way. Again, stitch it. So it's stitched like this. Now select the top part. It's selected down part. You can select this one. This is the top part. Stitch. Here's that. Now we can stitch this side also. Let's stitch the another side, which is visible. Same. It's not big difference. Is it here also? Is there? Is the bottom part. Okay, you can select like this or like this, no problem. Stitch. Now select the entire object. Here this is rotate. You can rotate like this, or you can go with this one. If you go with this one, try to keep a snap thing on, then rotate like this. You can rotate, then scale it so that it's fitting inside the box like this. Okay. This is done. Good. Try to do with the box so you'll be easier with that one. First, you just try with the simple box and do the UV mapping. Then you can do it with complex objects. So this is done. Just collapse it so that it will be merged with the object. Now let's start. Chair UV mapping. Select chair UV mapping. Then just go to this one. It told to do reset transform first, so select everything, reset, selected, convert to poly, so that reset transform will be merged for that. Now go to UV mapping. Select the object, entire object. Just flatten UV. Okay. So everything is flattened with the correct scaling, so there is no difference. You can just this. You see it, right? My display is not cut on one side, so I cannot see it properly. So I need to bring this side. So here is the object. Let's start with this base. Okay, bring it down so that you can see it. Rotate, add selection. So just select edge, merge. Same way you can edge, merge. So this is merged. You can select this and merge too. Like this. This is okay. Now I think side part is there. This one. And yeah, everything this side. Okay, select. You can select this. So don't merge taken or else everything will be messed up. So this merge is done for this. Now this is one part. So base part is done. Same way, bring it side. Select this part. You can select it. It's a little time taking, but it's interesting. Undo this. Select up. Select down. left, select right, done. If you select again, it will select the bottom part, so this much is okay. There's a bit of shadow, I think, right? This is done. This one, sorry, I was watching something, a video of my stream. I don't know if it's coming correct or not. So next, same way you can go with all things. Simple, bring down, add selection, up, down, up, left, right. Okay. So same thing you can do for everything. There is okay. I'll just do one more thing. This one, chair. I think we have left one part. It's one part. Okay. Okay. Sometimes it will be correct. Just check it's working. This is a relax option. Here you can go tools, relax, polygons. Yeah, it's working. Stop. So now it's straight, everything is straight. So now you can do the same thing for everything. Same things for everything. Do only one. This one you can go with. Just select unique objects like this. Then you can copy paste your UV to another object. So no need of doing everything. Like this. So I need to buy a good microphone. Is this not correct? I think so. But it's too costly, I think. Sometime I'll be purchasing a new mic so that everything is clear. So I have done this front part. Okay. This are done. Yeah, that I have done. This done. this, not done. Select. Okay. Top right. So you'll be feeling bored now. I know that. You know that. So rotate it all 90 degrees. Like this, make it all straight. To add a wood texture to be flowing like this. So it will be the same directions. Okay. So I'll show you just show you how to copy the texture. The rest you can do it yourself. It's simple. So let's go to that, how to copy UV mapping. So we'll close this. Now convert to poly. So everything is merged. So for this I have done UV mapping. So add a UV mapping. Drag this UV mapping to this. So this and this UV mapping are same. Same thing for this I have done UV mapping. Okay, it's here. So I can drag it to all. Simple. Like this. Don't keep it like this. Later you need to shift UVs up and down so that there will be a little bit of randomness in the texture. Okay. What did I do for this? Let's check. Okay, yeah, done it. So let's drag it and let's give done. Not done for this, right? Up, image, down, done, tune. Here also. It's a time taking thing, so we should be very careful. Rotate it. Just to relax. Okay. Done. Okay. Is it correct? I think yes, it's correct. Let's copy this into this. It's done. Situate mapping done for this. And it's not done. Oops, something fell on. You can copy this UV to this. And I have changed transform. Let me mess up. let's go and do it. Simple, right? Yeah. Select the face you choose in here. Put it down. Edge. Select. Left, right. Copy, rotate. Just copy this. Yep, done. Now, also meaning I think this is done. No. This you can copy to this. Yeah. To this. Yeah. Can you copy this to this? Let's check it. Yeah, but we need to stretch it. It's not correct. Let's see if we will make a reset. Yes. Yeah. It's corrected. Stop. Shape is correct. Done. Done this, all done. Thing left. Select everything. Convert to polygon. Select union. Everything is done, which is this part. One is flying somewhere. It's not done. This is done. I think only one thing is remaining. Yes. Good. Finish. Which is this part? It's of this one. It's like two part will not select. That's strange. These caps are from here. Oh no. No? Yeah. Let me copy here. You can just cut this object and paste it here. Just to make it clean. Okay, let's clean now. Now select all the objects and don't select this one. You need to go down, select back, normalize. So now it's all placed in same direction. Just you can rotate this to 90 degree. Wait up. See, it's clean. Now you can add the texture. Where is the texture window? Select the edit. See, cool. You can edit color here also if you need. Here is color correction. This is color correction. You can do color correction. You can do a composite. I like to do composite. Keep old map in submaps. So it will come like this. Do it. Here add plus. Add any color. This is like Photoshop only. Here we can add any color, solid color. Solid color here. Color map. What is this? Solid color. You can just make it big. You can select from the viewport. Yeah. See, you can select on the viewport. Pick select this. Select. Okay. Go back. Make this. You can just check with all colors what it look like. So not looking correct here. May come in rendering or something. So for now I'll not show this one. Okay, let's check on the color here, color correction. Here you can make it darker. Contrast. Brightness. Can change color. Bit of reddish. Sorry. You can change it here. So one more thing I'll show you today. The texture. Should I show it tomorrow? How to make the texture tileable if it's not tileable. Go to Photoshop. I'm showing it everything today only. I think you'll be feeling sad. So if you have any watermark in the images, you can just use the patch tool or clone tool. Like select everything. Like it's okay. Move it. Try to match, not much, but it's okay. Try to do a little bit up and down. After that, if you've done all everything, go to filter. Here you can go to others, offset. Here you can see is it correct or not. This is not tileable. To search in YouTube, you will get tileable. Sometimes they will name it tileable, but it's not tileable. I downloaded that thinking that this is tileable. So it's not tileable. So you can move this one, that side, this side, left and right. So there is a bit of gaps. So this should be matched, right? Okay, try to match, or you can just go to the clone tool, make it like a bit. What a sound. No, this is not coming correct. So got the idea how to do it. There's a lot of noise coming in. I think I need to stop the video for now. We got the idea how to do the modeling and texturing. So this is like this. So this is okay. Okay, for now, this is easier to show up and down. So you can see it like this. It's okay. Okay. This is how you do tailable. You need to take all the watermarks. You see, simple. Try to do it minimum. Don't do too much of this. So the texture may go. Like so. Now it's okay. This is how you do tailable. So I save as, just save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. This is saved. Here it's saved. So this is how you do a texture. So this is done. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe if you like my videos. I'll do more videos, a little bit different types of jazz, complex jazz, same thing. And this is my video. So next thing is, next I'll show you what I will do. If you have any doubts, please comment. I'll do a video on that too. Make you so this is how the video is done. Sorry. Okay, this chair is done. It's taking time to open the file. This is a simple chair. You will see one more modifier for this, and for this also. This is one more chair. It's a little bit complicated, not much, but little bit. You can do this. It's easy. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. So thank you, bye. So now I'm stopping my video. Please check my video, my old videos. If you want to see the basic from start, you can go to part 1, then part 2, and this is part 3. Next I'll do one more video in the next day. So please join me and check the videos and like and subscribe. Thank you.